And now for all the details. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday launched curtain-raiser activities of Amrit Mahotsav, the government's initiative to mark 75 years of India's independence, 75 weeks ahead of the occasion in 2022. PM Modi also flagged off a 25-day-long march to commemorate 91 years of historic Dandi Salt March led by freedom struggle leader Mahatma Gandhi.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday inaugurated the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a Nectar of Freedom festival, a series of events to commemorate the 75 years of India's independence from the British rule in 2022 in his home state of Gujarat. As part of the government initiative, weekly events will be organized during the next 75 weeks till August 15 next year. Freedom struggle and ideas, achievements, actions and resolve at 75 have been decided as the 5 pillars to celebrate 75 years of independence.
आजादी के 75 साल का ये अवसर एक अमृत की तरह वर्तमान पीढ़ी को प्राप्त होगा। एक ऐसा अमृत जो हमें प्रतिपल देश के लिए जीने, देश के लिए कुछ करने के लिए प्रेरित करेगा।
Modi also flagged off a 25-day-long foot march to commemorate 91 years of the Dandi March, a salt march led by iconic freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi in 1930, a non-violent protest against the British salt monopoly. 81 participants will cover a distance of 241 miles from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi village in Gujarat to pay tribute to the historic march.